Hello everyone, in today's video we will create a professional, simple and attractive footer using Elementor. So first of all, open your Elementor footer builder. Start by adding a column, make sure it is vertical. Inside this column we will add two containers. So click on plus icon and drag and drop the container inside the column. Duplicate the container so you have two containers. In the first container we will add social icons. Click on the plus icon and search for social icons. Drag and drop the widget into the container. Now customize the icons. Remove any icon by clicking the cross button. To add more icons, click on add item. Now change the shape from here. Set alignment center. And now go to the styles tab and set the size to 20 pixels. Now looks good. Now we will add a menu in the second container. Click on the plus icon, search for navigation menu and drag and drop into the container. After adding the menu, go to the layout settings, align it to center. Then go to the styles tab and change the text color. For example, I select black. After that, now select the main column. Go to the advanced tab. Now set the padding to 40 pixels, top, bottom, left and right. This will give your footer a clean and professional look. Now go to the styles tab of the main column and change the background color according to your design preferences. At this point, your footer already looks simple and professional. To make the footer more attractive, select the menu container, go to the styles tab and set its background color to white. Now this creates a clean contrast and gives the footer a more modern and polished look. Now within just a few minutes you have created a footer. This is professional and simple. That's how you can easily design a professional footer in Elementor without any confusion. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.